prime number, biggest prime number. Single digit smallest prime number is 2. Single digit biggest prime number is 7. Two digit smallest prime number is 11. Two digit biggest prime number is 97. Okay. Two digit three digit smallest prime number is 101. Biggest is 997. Okay. Next, four digit 1007 smallest, and the biggest is 9973. Okay, this is very important for your upcoming exams, competitive exams. It is useful అవుతుంది మీకు. ఓకేనా? And the next one, here some important notations are